busting my ass for 34 years to get an opportunity to play with some of the elite players. What I want more than anything to be the best. That's why I've teamed up with the best. We have won, been dominant for years, but now it's all what matters this year. 2023 is the year to really muscle up, play our hardest, because we got a team coming at us that's been trained, for being prepared for us. We lost, and it sucked. But we're coming at you. We're going to kick some ass, take some names. Rizzlers might have beaten us once or twice, but we've beaten you for years. You can't change that. I'm coming for you. We're going to play our hardest and kick some ass. You better bring your A game. You better bring all you can. Because this ain't no clown show. It's gonna be the real deal. Reese, CJ Garino, we're coming for you. There's a storm a coming. And it's gonna blow right through Rizzler Town. And you won't see nothing left. Welcome to RCMP League.